Hello, my name is Hajra and this is my CS50 Capstone project, ClimateModel, a climate change simulator. This is the home page where users first land. You can see the clean design with navigation options for login and register. The page features 4 key capabilities: choose region, set policies, run simulation, and analyze results. Now let me register a new account. I'll click on this register button, enter a username, Ron, password, and confirm password. Now I'll click register. Perfect. After registration, the system automatically logs me in and redirects to the home page. Now you can see the navigation bar has updated. I have access to dashboard, new scenario, and education. The welcome message shows hello Ron, confirming I'm logged in. Now let's create a climate scenario. I'll click new scenario and in this form I'll write the scenario name as sustainable Pakistan. I'll select Pakistan as the region to see region specific projections. Now I'll adjust the policy sliders: renewable energy adoption 10%, electric vehicle adoption 45%, industrial pollution control 50%, forest protection 53%. I'll check make the scenario public to share it and click on this run simulation button. Now we see comprehensive results tables, climate projections through 2100, economic tables display costs versus benefits. Health benefits show pollution reductions. Our policy choices are summarized below, and since I'm the creator, I can toggle public-private status. When I click this button, a confirmation dialog appears asking if I want to make it private. This ensures users don't accidentally change visibility settings. Now let's explore the dashboard. Here I can see all my created scenarios. I can toggle between my scenarios and public scenarios to view simulations shared by other users as well. I can click on any scenario to view its detailed results, just like we saw earlier, and see how clicking on a scenario takes us directly to the comprehensive results page. This allows easy comparison and review. For my own scenarios, I have delete option as well. Alongside these features, the education section provides learning modules that complement simulations, covering renewable energy, EVs, climate policy, and more with scientific content. In summary, ClimateModel is an educational tool that makes climate science easy to understand through interactive simulations. Users can test different policies and see real results through the year 2100, providing valuable insights into climate action impacts. And here, the demonstration for my CS50 Capstone project comes to an end. Thank you for watching.